Welcome to Ida's Kitchen. Bienvenidos. My name is Ida Lugo McAllister and I am going to demonstrate how to prepare chocolate coconut eggnog, Coquito de chocolate. This recipe is a variation of our traditional coconut eggnog, Coquito. When you add melted chocolate bars to this drink, you take it to another dimension of flavor and texture. Food history. The palm tree with coconuts came from West Africa. The palm trees without coconuts is native to Puerto Rico, known as La Palma Real, the royal palm. We are going to first melt 4 Cortez chocolate bars. Cortez has been a popular brand in Puerto Rico since 1929. It is the biggest chocolate producer in the Caribbean. However, you purchase the brand of your preference. Let's start melting the chocolate bars. Place 4 chocolate bars into saucepan. And add 2 tablespoons of water. Melt the chocolate bars over low heat. Once the chocolate bars begin to melt, stir until the chocolate bars are fully melted. The chocolate is completely melted. It has a rich dark color with a silky and shiny consistency. Remove saucepan from heat and let cool for about 10 minutes. The next step is to separate 4 egg yolks from the whites using an egg separator. I place the egg separator on top of the bowl, which works like a strainer. Crack an egg into it, and the egg yolk will remain on top while the white will run into the bowl. Place the egg yolk in a separate bowl. We just completed separating 4 egg yolks. I will be using the Vitamix electric blender, which is very powerful. Therefore, it will take seconds to blend all the ingredients. The 2 main ingredients for this recipe are cream of coconut and white rum. I would recommend to stir the content of the cream of coconut to combine the coconut cream and coconut water before pouring into blender. This is the Coco Lopez brand and the Bacardi brand, but you purchase the brand of your preference. By the way, the largest Bacardi distillery in the world is located in San Juan, Puerto Rico. We are ready to prepare the chocolate coconut eggnog. Add 4 egg yolks and 1½ cups of white rum into blender. Cover blender with lid and beat at low speed for approximately 5 seconds. can now add the remaining ingredients. 2 cans, 12 ounces each of evaporated milk. Sometimes I use low-fat or fat-free evaporated milk. 2 cans, 15 ounces each of cream of coconut. The melted chocolate. One teaspoon of vanilla flavoring or 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Cover blender with lid and beat at low speed until all the ingredients are well blended and a creamy texture is formed. After 20 seconds of blending, let's check if all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. The Coquito has a creamy chocolate texture. You can pour the chocolate Coquito into a pitcher or into several glass bottles. I love this pitcher because it has a mixing plunger. Place the chocolate Coquito in the refrigerator for at least 2 days before serving to allow the flavors to develop fully. Any Coquito made with eggs should be stored in the refrigerator and consumed within 7 days. I normally shake the bottle of Coquito to mix all the ingredients before pouring. Since this drink is very rich, I serve the Coquito in small drinking glasses. You can also sprinkle with coconut flakes on top. For your information, you add the amount of white rum according to your taste. I am ready to taste the chocolate coconut eggnog. Delicious, very creamy. It has the right balance of coconut and chocolate flavors. Enjoy your holidays with our traditional coconut eggnog prepared with melted chocolate bars for a rich chocolate flavor. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare chocolate coconut eggnog, Coquito de chocolate. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.